Hello guys, today as a Steamlock Engineering we bring to you this soil moisture sensor. This soil moisture sensor is used to measure water content in soil and provide real-time data to help users water plants only when needed, also preventing over or under irrigation. Also, this soil moisture sensor is used to measure moisture using electrical resistance or capacitance. Also, this soil moisture sensor is a real-time monitoring, high accuracy, water optimization, and weather resistance. With this soil moisture sensor, it makes plants and crops healthier, saves up to 30 to 50% water, increases crop yield, and also eliminates guesswork in irrigation, and also saves time and labor. For more information of our soil moisture sensor, follow us. Our link is in the bio. Bye.